Introducing the Elite Gourmet EC812 Electric 12-cup coffee percolator with Keep Warm. Brew up to 12 cups of hot, flavorful coffee or tea in less than a minute per cup. With the simple on-off switch and keep warm function, you can easily brew and keep your beverage warm automatically. The reusable filter allows for easy brewing, and the transparent brew progress knob lets you view the brewing cycle. Plus, the stainless steel permanent filter basket is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. With wraparound cord storage, non-slip feet, and a 360-degree swivel base, this percolator is completely portable and perfect for serving coffee away from the kitchen. Not only can you brew coffee, but you can also heat up to 12 cups of water for tea, hot cocoa, or hot cereals in under 5 minutes. The ergonomic design includes a cool touch handle, snap-on lid, and precision pouring spout. The stainless steel exterior adds a touch of elegance to any home kitchen. And don't worry about cleaning up after brewing. The stainless steel parts, including the coffee filter basket, brewing stem, and coffee basket lid, are dishwasher safe. As a trusted brand for 40 years, Elite Gourmet delivers high-quality, stylish kitchen products that are affordable and user-friendly. Our US-based support team is always here to help. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Be sure to check compatibility before purchasing. Experience the convenience and delicious flavor of the Elite Gourmet EC812 Electric 12-cup coffee percolator with Keep Warm. Order now at the provided short link.